everyone, and welcome back to English Pod Up. This is the place where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Emma, and today we are going to talk about English in daily life. We will learn how to talk about your day in English.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Leo, and I'm very excited to practice English today. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to English Pod Up, like this episode, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue making lessons.
Yes, thank you for supporting English Pod Up. It really helps learners like me.
Today, we will learn how to describe your daily routine and activities. Talking about your day is useful in conversations with friends, classmates, or colleagues.
That sounds very useful. Sometimes I don't know how to explain my day in English.
That's okay, Leo. We will start with simple sentences. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock, or I have breakfast at 8.
Okay, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I have breakfast at 7. I go to school at 8.
Excellent! Now we can add more details to make sentences longer. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock and take a shower, or I eat breakfast with my family.
I wake up at 6 o'clock and take a shower. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to school by bus.
Very good. Now let's practice asking questions about the day. You can ask, what do you do in the morning? Or how do you start your day?
What do you do in the morning, Emma?
I wake up at 7, take a shower, and have breakfast. Then I read the news and prepare my lessons.
That is very organized. I usually wake up late and have breakfast quickly.
That's fine, Leo. Everyone has their own routine. Now let's practice talking about the afternoon. You can say, in the afternoon, I study English at home, or I play soccer.
In the afternoon, I study English at home. I also play football with my friends. Sometimes I help my mother with cooking.
Excellent. Now we can talk about the evening. For example, in the evening, I watch TV, or I read a book.
In the evening, I watch my favorite series. Sometimes I read an English book. I also talk with my family.
Very good. Now, let's add feelings to your day. You can say, I feel happy in the morning, or I feel tired in the evening.
I feel happy in the morning because I drink coffee. I feel tired in the evening because I study a lot.
Perfect. Now we will do a small exercise. I will say a time of the day, and you tell me what you do and how you feel.
Okay, I am ready.
Morning.
In the morning, I wake up, take a shower, eat breakfast, and I feel happy.
Afternoon.
In the afternoon, I study English, help my mother, and play football, and I feel busy but good.
Evening.
In the evening, I watch TV, read a book, and I feel tired but relaxed.
Excellent, Leo. Now we will practice using questions. You can ask someone, what do you usually do in the afternoon? Or, how do you feel after school?
What do you usually do in the afternoon, Emma?
I usually teach my students, prepare lessons, and I feel productive. How about you, Leo?
I study English, play sports, and sometimes help at home. I feel happy but sometimes tired.
Very good. Now let's practice talking about the past day. For example, yesterday I woke up late, or yesterday I studied English for 2 hours.
Yesterday, I woke up at 7. I had breakfast quickly. I studied English for 2 hours. I felt a little tired in the afternoon.
Perfect. You can also talk about tomorrow. For example, tomorrow I will wake up early, or tomorrow I will meet my friends.
Tomorrow, I will wake up at 6. I will go to school. I will play football with my friends in the afternoon.
Excellent, Leo. Now let's practice describing feelings with reasons. For example, I feel happy because I studied English, or I feel tired because I ran a lot.
I feel happy because I learned many new words.
I feel tired because I played football for 2 hours.
Very good. Now we will practice with a longer dialogue. I will be Emma, and you will be Leo. We will talk about our day from morning to evening. Hi, Leo. How was your morning?
Hi, Emma. My morning was good. I woke up at 6, had breakfast, and studied English.
That is great. How did you feel?
I felt happy because I understood a new lesson.
Very good. What about the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I played football with my friends. I helped my mother at home. I felt a little tired, but happy.
Excellent. And your evening?
In the evening, I watched a series and read an English book. I felt relaxed and happy.
Perfect. Now we will do a small exercise for the listeners. Think about your day and describe it in English using sentences like ours.
Yes, you can write or say sentences like, I woke up at 7. I had breakfast. I studied English. I feel happy.
Great example. Remember, you can add feelings, times, and activities to make sentences longer. This will help your English become natural.
I will practice every day. I can describe my whole day in English now.
That's wonderful, Leo. And to our listeners, please remember to subscribe to English Pod Up. Like this episode and share it with your friends. Practice talking about your day every day.
Yes, and stop translating. Start thinking in English while talking about your day.
Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing and enjoy learning English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.